Hey everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to fix GameSir G7 SE not turning on. So don't panic, let us go through the fixes. So you need to firstly use the original USB-C cable that came with the controller. Faulty third-party cables are a common issue. Try a different cable if needed. After that, plug it directly into a rear USB port on your PC or Xbox, not a hub or a monitor port. Hold the home button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a manual wake up. You should see the LED ring light up. After that, if it powers on, go to GameSir's official site and download the GameSir tuning software. Connect the controller and check for firmware updates. They often fix unresponsive issues. Also, you can use a pin or a SIM ejector to press the reset button found in a tiny hole on the back of the controller. Hold it for about 5 seconds. Also important info, the G7 SE doesn't power on wirelessly by default. It needs to be plugged in first. Always use firmware updates to avoid future issues. If it stays dead after all this, contact GameSir support. It may be a hardware fault. And that's how you fix the controller from not turning on. Drop a like if this helped, and also subscribe for more such tutorials and fixes. Catch you in the next one, guys. Play awesome.